And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a Pokemon ball. It's a simple design. We only need a circle and a rectangle. Let's create a circle first. I'll hold Control and go to a 45-degree angle, then I'll hold Shift, click on the X to get rid of the stroke, and you can see we've only got a black fill. What we need under Object is the Fill and Stroke menu, and we also need the Align and Distribute menu. You can see once more we've got a black fill and no stroke for now. So let's open the Align and Distribute menu as well. Now we'll create a rectangle. I'll simply drag that freeform. Let me make that red so that we can see that properly. The thickness is the most important part here. Then select both, go to your Align and Distribute menu. Last selected in the drop down is selected, and I use vertical and horizontal alignment. Now go to Path and use Division. That way I've got 3 elements, so 2 half circles and in the center this rectangle. Everything's black for now. Let me give the bottom part a white fill and a black stroke. Let me change that to pixels. And let's select the top one. I'll make it a red fill, and once again give it the stroke, and it has the same thickness and the stroke style, same pixels. So we've got at the bottom the rectangle in the middle. It needs a stroke as well to fit the top and bottom part. Let me group that under Object. Now I'll create another circle. Once more, I'll hold Control while I do that. And I give it a black fill. I'll just keep the stroke, doesn't matter here. I'll select it all, go to Align and Distribute and use once more vertical and horizontal alignment. And then simply select the circle, so the small one in the middle, this one, and then right click and duplicate or press Ctrl D, which is the short key. Then I hold Shift and Control to size the copy that's now on top down, and I give it a white fill. I repeat the process, so right click, duplicate, I hold Ctrl and Shift to size it down, and this one's supposed to be black. Or maybe the circles in the center are not big enough. I'll select only the circles in the center, and then I hold Shift and Control and size it up a little bit. And once again we can group that under Object, and then export it. And this is how you can recreate such a Pokemon ball design in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.